QuickMount PV's elevated water seal technology is built into many of our most popular composition and tile roof mounts. The technology employs a metal flute at the bolt hole that raises the point of seal above the roof and above the rainwater making its way down the roof, yielding a completely watertight solution that does not rely on sealant. Some competing mounts utilize raised cones to protect the penetration by channeling water around the bolt hole, which can be effective in a light rain. However, in heavier rain scenarios, these mounts can be problematic. The reason for this is simple. These mounts fail to cap off the cone, instead locating the point of seal on top of the L-foot. With no gasket at the base of the L-foot to prevent water from entering the cavity, the unsealed cone and roof penetration are left vulnerable to water intrusion. The amount of water that makes its way into the L-foot cavity is not only dependent on the severity of the rain event. A slightly crooked or angled installation of the L-foot can leave a gap that will facilitate even more water entering the cavity. At QuickMount PV, we test all of our mounts with a complete submersion test and no sealant. Our leak prevention technology stems from the engineering. While recommended sealants represent an important secondary protective measure, the primary waterproofing of any penetration or flash roofing mount should never rely on sealant. Because QuickMount PV's sealing washer completely caps off the point of penetration, it remains leak-free completely underwater. When we compare our elevated water seal technology to mounts that fail to cap off and seal the penetration, it's no surprise that those mounts have trouble preventing water from making its way down into the rafter. When it comes to an elevated and fully capped off point of seal, choose QuickMount PV's industry-leading patented technology. Look for elevated water seal technology in our most popular mounts, including the cost-competitive L mount, the E mount, and the tile replacement mount.